What? There's another mouse out there? Didn't I tell you not to do that anymore? Why do you keep doing it? What, are you bored? Or do you have an obsession? Is this an obsession of yours? I don't want your dirty, grimy face near me after you've been chewing on a mouse. Go take a bath. You're dirty. Look at you. You're filthy. You have filthy feet. Look at your dirty feet. Stop pushing me out of the way. Look, dirty feet. Dirty, dirty. Stop pushing the camera. Dirty feet. Stop it. Stop headbutting the camera. You have dirty feet. You have a dirty face. Aw, did I hurt your feelings? You're not going to speak to me now? I'm sorry. Ow! Don't put your claws in my leg. That hurts. Ow! That hurts. Mean kitty. Nap time. Night night.